We're going to head off to the Joomla documentation site and look at this page, docs.joomla.org/migration, with a page called Why Migrate. And if you're having any doubts about this process, reading through this page will give you the incentive to go forward. The opportunity, I just love the author of the Joomla documentation has really promoted this as not a chore to be done, but really an opportunity to rethink and revisit. It's been a number of years since you started any Joomla 1.5 sites, and things may have changed for your organization or for your client or for the possibilities have changed. There's new features that weren't available then. And so really thinking of this migration as an opportunity. A little bit farther down that page he says migration's like moving to a new house or a remodel. It's an opportunity to clean some stuff up, it's an opportunity to refocus, and it might even be an opportunity to buy some new furniture or install some new functionalities that you didn't have before. So we'll move on from this page to the migration planning page, and this spells out the difference between the 1.5 to 3 as a major migration and 2.5 to 3 as a minor migration or a mini migration. The 2.5 to 3 can be accomplished with tools right within Joomla. 1.5 to 3 is a major migration that requires moving that core content into different structures. Now, before we go any farther, you need to make sure that your server meets the technical requirements for Joomla 3. And by clicking on this link in the Joomla docs, we get a table of exactly what those requirements are. Now, you may be asking, well, how do I know what version my server is running? Assuming that you have a cPanel installation somewhere, you can go to your cPanel, and if you just have a very little bit of content in your left column, expand those stats and scroll down, and you'll find your Apache version 2.2, your PHP version 5.3, your MySQL version, in my case 5.173. Looking back at those technical requirements, I had 5.3.29, so 10 is the requirement, 29 is more than 10. I'm good. 5.1, any version of MySQL is going to be fine. And Apache 2. anything is going to be fine. So again, Apache, I'm good. PHP, I'm good. MySQL, I'm good. So check your technical requirements. Make sure that the place that you're planning on building your new Joomla 3 site is up to snuff. If your hosting environment is not up to these levels of software, you can talk to your hosting provider and see if they can provide those newer versions of things, or you may need to seek out a different hosting environment. OS Training has video on Joomla hosting, and if needed, you can go check that out.